Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the file system with the error code 21472199196. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to click on start menu. So i-click mo lang tong start menu and then dito sa search up ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na WS reset. Ayan. And then press mo lang dito yung open. So this procedure is a troubleshooting tool which is used to reset or clear the Windows Store without changing the account settings or deleting installed apps. So ginagawa natin itong procedure na to na WS reset para ma-clear or ma-reset yung Windows Store natin. Ito siya. So once na-open na to, in hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the error still persists, so close lang natin to. Ang next solution na pwede natin gawin, so dito lang ulit sa start menu, click mo lang siya. And then dito sa search up, so kailangan mo lang i-type yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So kailangan mo lang mag-right click and then sinik mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na dsm space / online space / cleanup - image space / restore yan. So copy lang natin yan. So ang next step dito lang sa taas, kailangan mo lang mag-right click and then select mo lang dito yung edit. And then click mo lang dito yung paste, or pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut control +B, so click mo lang yan, and then press mo lang yung enter. Makikita mo na dito na deployment image servicings and management tool. So dito ay kailangan lang natin hintayin na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. Okay, so makikita mo na dito na the restore operations completed successfully, and then next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type mo lang yung command keyword na sfc space / scan now. So in all is more later lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word po yan. And then press mo lang yung enter. And then makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verifications phase of system scan. So kailangan ulit natin na hintayin na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. So ang next step, so close lang natin tong CMD and then dito lang ulit sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. I-click mo lang ito. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix file system error code 21472199196 on Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.